I'm a fan of jam jar amps. We've sold them at Crimson Guitar since pretty much the day they came out, and I always have one near me. They also do kits, and I've put a few of the kits into various items. This is going to be fun. Burn it. Haha! Yay! I have an antique metal-bodied hand drill. Looks like a ray gun, doesn't it? And, well, I would never plug this in. If there happens to be something wrong with the electronics or anything, you die. However, I think this would make an awesome little guitar amp. Don't you? I'm not going to talk much in this video. Let's just see what happens. That's cool. I'm not even sure if the speaker's going to fit in here. The moment of truth. I don't think the square's going to fit. It's almost as if it was made for it. So close. So I've got several options. I can install it like so, basically shooting just a little bit out over the edge, cut away all of the excess squarey bit, of course, and then hot glue it in or something. Or I could do it the other way around and have the speaker itself facing into the body of the drill, where we've got all of these lovely vents and everything. I'm going to do something cool with the front here. Well, we have to really, don't we? That's fantastic. Didn't need to take that off then, did I? Do need to take that off though. Not sure. If I hit it hard enough, it's going to come apart, but I can't actually tell how that's being held in there. That's not coming off. It's not necessarily a bad thing either. As it stands, that is bumping into where my speaker is. So I'm going to have to chop it off. I think I can just get in there at an angle with an angle grinder. Terrible sense of humor. Sorry. Might take 2 cuts, but we'll be there. Perfect. Okay, so here is what we're dealing with. It's a pre-wired, in Wales, by one dude, micro guitar amp. With an in and an out. You can run a cab with it. You can run a 4x12 and get fantastic noises. And then you've got a battery. What I need to do, I want the one switch to be there, if it fits. One switch, one jack, yeah, that fits perfectly. And then the other one next to it. So essentially, yeah, I should be able to get it just about there. That's going to mean chopping that out though, so a little bit more angle grinding, I think. I like step drills. I also want to fit a 9-volt battery in here, which means that's got to go. It's ready for me to polish. This is not the best metal in the world, but I am sure I can get an interesting look out of it. It's also covered in dings and scratches and various bits of nastiness. And I'm not going to try and polish those out. We're going to have, hopefully, a fairly highly polished thing with obvious signs of life. So it's going to look like solid chrome, hopefully. On to the polishing wheels. Yes, I'm having a blast. And here is where we are at for the minute. I need to figure out how to install the speaker itself. I've got my holes, etc. for the jacks. Everything's polished. This came out really, really well. Yeah, I've even managed to keep the trigger. We're located, and there's a screw hole there. All right. I want to take most of that off. I'm not going to be able to fit the battery where I thought I would, because I do want the trigger to be in place, and the thing that holds the trigger sits in the handle. So the battery is basically going to sit underneath or behind where the speaker is, which is fine. That's pretty cool. Ta-da! Less ray gun and more, hey, this is a really highly polished antique hand drill, but I have another one. Maybe I'll convert that into an actual ray gun. This has been fun. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Click like, subscribe, share. All of that jazz. Most importantly, check out crimsonguitars.com if you want one of these kits. We have a working guitar amplifier built into a drill. I think that's pretty cool, and possibly a first. Yeah, so the kits are, pretty raunchy when your volume is all the way up. And then you dial it back. All right, I'm done. Seriously, click like and subscribe. Let me know if you want more one-day builds like this. I've to actually finish something in a day, it's incredibly cool. Makes me very happy. Most of my projects take weeks, if not months. So, yeah. I need to learn how to play. And here we are with a few more. So obviously the original jam jar. This little brownie camera has a full amp in it. And that's been in my dining room forever. This is a little cigar box. Same thing. I want to know what you want to put one of these in. I think I'm doing another one of these. We're done. Goodbye.